Now listen to part of a lecture on the topic you just read about.
A lambeosaur's bizarre-looking crest, which looked like a pompadour, has prompted many scientists to come up with reasons why this dinosaur had a distinctively shaped crest. Regardless of the frontrunner theories, I will explain why all the assertions have been proven to be wrong. First, it makes no sense that the crests were used to provide air. What is puzzling about these crests is that they are not present in any juvenile lambeosaurs. The young ones have little bumps on their heads. So it seems irrational to say that these dinosaurs learned how to dive when they became fully grown. Besides, have you seen the size of this dinosaur? The hollow airway of the crest would have been too small to hold that much air capacity for the huge body. The second theory seems reasonable at first, but it has some definite flaws. Canadian paleontologists have found that the different shape and size of the crests were not just male and female of Lambeosaurus, but the difference was more because the two shapes were from separate species. And the two different species lived in different time periods from one another. So, you can see that there is little evidence that supports sexual dimorphism in Lambeosaurus. The final theory is also contradictory. Researchers have found that the crest had nothing to do with the sense of smell. The cranial crest was mainly hollow and connected to the nostrils and the back of the throat. There is much doubt that the olfactory nerves entwined upwards into the crest. It would be better to say that the hollow portion of the crest was used as a resonating chamber to produce sounds. Lambeosaurs congregated in large herds, and communicating at low frequencies could have provided them with some protection against predators.